finally here. I've been waiting for this package forever. Do you guys want to see what's inside? Well, let's get to it. Yo, I'm DopeAsDeeJay, and we're about to do an incredible review on Hakai Culture. I know why you guys are here. I got 2 mystery boxes from Hakai Culture, and we're about to see what they got me. They promised me 5 gifts out of 3, so 3 out of 5. And we're gonna see how many gifts we can get. So stay tuned. Probably know what's inside. To be honest, I don't even know because I did not open it. This is exactly how it's packaged. Hold up, let me show you. So we're opening it up. Let's see what's inside. This is a pretty strong box. Let's see. I'm actually glad that it's here today. Came right on my birthday. Well, a little after my birthday, but feels like a birthday gift. They did say it was coming late because it did take a little while for it to come. It's about 4 weeks to come. But let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys gotta get a close-up. Let's check it out. It came with 2 boxes, right? I like that. One here came with things, and I guess an alternate bag to like separate them. So let's see what this says. It says, "Thank you for ordering at Hakai." Ooh, 10% discount code. That is what I like to see on the next order. Well, if you guys do want to get a little discount, check out the link. So we got the 2 boxes. Isn't that great? Ready to check out and see what's in the first box? Okay, so in the first box we got 3 items. They said up to 3 to 5, but we got 3 of the first one. We still have 1 more pack to open, so don't go nowhere. In the first pack. This is perfect. I know exactly what I need. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited. Yo, these are fire. I'm super excited to be wearing these. Check them out. If you don't know, you don't know. These are fire, yo. So that was the first one. Are we ready for box number 2? Let's go. I'm ready. I hope we got more than 3 this time. Okay. We got 3. So let's see what kind of bundles they have for us today. Great, but they still look pretty cool, so let's check them out. I'm not really sure on this. This could be from Demon Slayer. Let me know in the comments below. I'm sorry. Maybe I'm missing something, but I do like that it's pink because I didn't get any pink ones. So not that pink is my favorite color, but hey, I like to have a variety of different colors, so always keep it in your toolbox. Oh my gosh, yes. You know we love Demon Slayer here. Man, if you already know how many Demon Slayer fits I have, it's just, the color is just, matches my skin perfectly. And then, I believe this is from One Piece, but I don't quite watch it. So, you know the excellent thing about this is that I got no shirts. All I got is shorts. So, that's been my problem for life, is like I always have like some pants but no shirts. Akia, why did you do this to me? They were some pretty good shorts. I wish I would have got some shirts, but yeah. Will I buy another mystery box? Probably not, only because I got so many shorts. Like, I think I'm gonna just purchase some shirts this time, so I definitely have them. But I may do one more box because, you know why? Third time is the charm. So, overall review for these packages. I got 2 different sizes. The first bag that I got was a medium, and then the second bag I got was a small because I wasn't sure how they really fit, you know, because sizes be fitting a little different on me, but we'll see. So now next time I'll know. If you want to see how I purchased it or the process you go through with purchasing, leave a comment below and I can walk you through those steps. But it's pretty much go on the site. I linked the site below so you can get there quick. If you don't want to use my discount code so you can get 10% off, you ain't got to. That's just for me to help you out, for you to help me out. But anyway, if you like the dope ass review, come back again. You can definitely check out the page and see what else I have in store. So subscribe, like, and comment if you liked it, and if you don't, still follow those steps. Simple. But DopeAsDeeJay out, and I appreciate y'all reviewing the clothes with me. I had a great time. Have a good day.